Okay, so I'm covering the Smart Robot Kit 3.0 Plus assembly tutorial. We're going to get it laid out, parts, and put this thing together. Alright, both pieces of the chassis have this protective film over it. It's a little bit of a pain to pull off, but if you keep it slow and smooth, it peels right off. Still a pain. Not fun though. It's like a fun pain. Yeah. Now we're going to assemble the motor mounts to the motors. Make sure that small aluminum block is on the right side. Should go underneath the wiring. That's how it mounts up. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. Now we're going to build all 4 motors with the motor mounts. Make sure you got all 4. Now we're going to mount the motors. Make sure that they're facing the correct way. You don't want to put them on backwards like I did, and then have to go back and redo it. Like I said, make sure those motors are facing the correct way. They're pretty easy. Just pay attention to what you're doing. Now I got the Lima 29er 8 November module. It mounts to the body with the shims. Pay really close attention to what direction you have that thing mounted in. There is a backwards. You don't want to put it on backwards. Could get pretty aggravating, to say the least. It's like a nightmare. All right, let's make sure everything's nice and tight. Oh yeah, screw it down nice and tight. Tight is right. Now we're going to connect the L29er 8 November module and the motors together. Quick wiring clip. Just clip them right in. Alright, now we're ready to mount the line trace module. We're on page 5. Make sure you have all your parts out and ready to go. We'll start out by mounting the copper cylinders straight to the board there. Now we're going to ensure that the module's facing towards the front before we start screwing that bad boy down. Now we're going to mount the R3 Uno board. Mount it to the chassis. Watch what direction you're going to put it on. Goes on pretty easily. The expansion board goes on top of the R3 board. Clicks right in. Make sure you line your pins up correctly. It just pushes right on top. Oh yeah. And Bluetooth module goes right into where it's labeled Bluetooth module. It just clicks in. Simple. Got a battery pack that mounts on the back. Make sure you charge it while you're getting ready to build this thing. It's 2 screws, too easy. It's too easy. It's a lot of fun. Oh yeah, there it goes. Now we're going to plug the battery into the circuit board. Oh yeah, plug it, click. Alright, Johnny 5 is alive. These tiny screws. You won't believe how small these things are, the screws and the nuts to hold them all in. It's incredible. It's a lot of fun. Right, the dead plate mounts to the sensor assembly with 2 screws and 2 nuts. Make sure you wire that servo cable up through the dead plate. Make sure you wire that, screw everything down. Hot dang, them things are a pain in the butt to hold on to. Look at this small ass stuff. Now we're going to mount the ultrasonic sensor and wire the servo up. Mount it straight up there on the chassis. It's a lot of fun. Oh yeah, there it goes, Johnny 5. Throw those screws. going to wire the ultrasonic sensor to the board. Go, baby, go. Click in. And there. One more click. Here we're going to use the double pass copper cylinder and hex screws. Put them all around the plate with the motor on it and just stop. Here. Yep, you don't want to tighten those screws down. Just stop here. Anyway. Now we got to make all of our wired connections. Since I screwed everything down, this was an adventure. Oh yeah, lots of fun. This right here is where I realized just how stupid I am. It doesn't work. Here it goes. Yay. Almost. Alright, this is where we want to tighten the top plate down. Let's get ready to mount the tires. We're almost at it. Almost done. Tires and rims. Look at the shoes, baby. Look at the shoes. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Yeah. So come on. It's pretty easy to line those guys up and then just screw them down with the cross screws. Alright, let's see what happens when we turn this bad boy on. I had that battery pack charging while I was building the car, so here we go. Whoa, where's it going? Get back here. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun building this ELEGOO Smart Robot Car Kit 3.0 Plus. Hopefully I'll have some time in the near future to play around with the programming and hopefully get that posted as well. Thanks a lot for watching again, guys. Have an awesome day.